So good afternoon everybody. I am Jayashree from SNS College of Technology from the Department of Biomedical Engineering. We are going to discuss the case study topic about home automation. Let us see this case study video.
Yeah. So, good morning all. I'm introducing myself. I'm Damiran from third year biomedical. So, as ma'am said, this was a very interesting topic as we know, like home automation. Automation is everywhere nowadays. We can see that in our schools, hospitals, everywhere. But when it comes to home, it plays a major role because we can't expect the city people to be inside the home every time. And if they are going in an emergency situation, they may forget to switch off the lights, fans, not just light fans, but everything. All the things that is connected to automation. First of all, let us see what is IoT. As you know, IoT is Internet of Things, but what it does is it connects the device with Internet. So we can access the device anywhere from the world. We just need internet or Wi-Fi, anything that our Wi-Fi modules or internet access things. So humans are just focusing on the advancement. That advancement is IoT. IoT is integrated like from the basic home things. Nowadays we have home automated robots. Which will clean the house even if we are there or not. So we are getting advanced. So that is what the basic of IoT in home automation. So this is my point to start. And do you guys have any point to say?
Is nowadays gate also automated, right?
Yeah, man. Even gate is also automated, and everything is automated. We can open the door from here, from for our home. Yeah.
So I will share how the principle work in the automation and what are the components are used. The components are microcontroller and sensors, relay module, next mobile application, and the working principle is first the microprocessor. First the sensor sends the signals, then the sensor sends it to the microcontroller. Then microcontroller has to process the data. Then it sends to the sends to relay like Wi-Fi module. Then it sends to the user. User can automatically use these applications. For real scenario, it is used in like switch on the fans or lights automatically. Motion detector if the fans can light or switch on.
Okay, now I'm going to share a case study. We can install a application in our mobile phone and we can control all the things in home automation through our mobile phone itself. After that, by using this, we can save 20% of charges from our electricity bill, and we can access this from anywhere. And the major advantages are we can access this from anywhere, and we can securely keep our homes and things very safer. And the major disadvantage is somebody can hack it easily, and the all is based on internet.
So yeah, when she was talking about that working and everything, already do you remember we have done a project in our second year? I would like to say that now. So we have done a project. So what is it is basically when we are out of the home, as ma'am said for gates and main doors. But we did for like the home automated TVs and fridges and washing machine. As you know, it can turn off automatically if it is not used. The system has developed that much. But for some people, sometimes the electric current may go in between and come in between. When we are out for work, it may come. When we are in the work, it may go. Like that, it will fluctuate in our country. So we are trying to design something which will automatically switch off if the people are not there. The fridge will be always on. As we know, if the product is inside, it will sense like the product is there or not, and it will work. But for the other things like TVs and washing machines also, if people comes only, we will switch on it again. So our project was in a developing stage on that time. So when you are talking about the components, we are getting remembered to that, and it was very nice, I guess. So do you know? Do you remember any of that?
Yes, like we had very many researches about that. So currently we have many different types of sensors or many varieties of these types of technologies, home automations. But I think it was not dangerous. She, as Monisha said, it will be hacked by someone. But it is our property, right? If AC is in a room,
only we can access, only one network access can be done to. So it may be not much dangerous also. So I would like to tell that. So not only in our home automations, everywhere. For example, if we have for example, yes, if we install a remote app in our phone, if we have only the name of the products everywhere, if you are going for a restaurant, if you see an AC, you can switch it on by your mobile too. No remote is needed. So this is also an automation over everywhere.
Yeah, the main point as you said is like the remoteless world. We can have a remote anywhere in the world. That is our mobile phone. There it all is. So I think this was the main thing.
So okay guys, I hope this finds you a very good information,
Yeah.
and I too enjoyed the session. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.